Is it on? AliExpress electric scooter. Let's unbox it. And satisfaction. Wow. And in the accessories you will get a charger, which is 2 amps 42 volts, spare tube, and like free squeeze Allen key. Not sure what that is, but manual is included.
And what do we have? And we do have a very nice locking mechanism. All you need to do is just, I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand, but there you go. Super easy. That's power for your engine. By the way, engine. All right. Cool tires. Those are, don't need air. 10 inches, which is good. The build quality looks solid. Suspension on the back. That hook is for transport. And cool fender, also light on the back. Another hook. And on the other side we do have a charging port which is protected and view. Some info and brake caliper, which is mechanical. Okay. And on the top we do have very cool ring, brake, grip, handlebar, not too wide. Wow, that is a very bright screen. And we do have 3 bars of battery. S, how can we switch? Echo, drive, and sport.
Comfortable ride with full suspension. Also taking corners is easy and safe. Acceleration, I'm a bit heavy, 110 kilograms. And braking, really good, great success. This device is equipped with lights, tapping the button twice. You have a light on the front and light on the back. Great success. You can very quickly park the device and take it with you. That's very convenient. And the device itself is not too heavy at all. That's also great. And if you want to put it back on, it's super fast, easy, and you can leave the place quickly. Then what did we learn? And we learned that it has a huge 10-inch tires, full suspension, great battery life, can handle even 110 kilogram person, which is not that easy for any electric scooter. And the build quality is awesome. Link in the description. This is the best price to performance device on the market, on AliExpress market. Link in the description. See you next video.